how to set up share library for iCloud photos on iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from Settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page. Then tap on your Apple account name at the top. Next, we go down and tap on iCloud. Then tap on CO and tap on iCloud Photos. In here, scroll down, and in the sharing section, tap on Share Library. Here, tap on Get Started, and then choose who you want to share. So tap on Add Participants, and then add in a contact. So tap on the Add button here, and select a contact from the contact list. Okay, so once you have selected your participants, tap on the Accept button, and then tap on Next. And then in here, you can choose which photos to share. You can do this now or you can do it later. So I will choose Move Photos Later. And then here, we can invite via messages, or we can choose Share Link. And then here, you can copy the link to Notes, Email, Messages, or you can copy it to the clipboard, or you can select a contact and send them a direct link to the shared library. And that's it. So I will copy it to the clipboard. And then here it said, do you want to share automatically from the camera? When you are using the camera to capture photos, you can automatically share to that person. So if you don't want to automatically share any photos that captured directly from the camera, you can choose Share Manually Only. And then tap on Done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.